I like to say there are two types of people. There are people who like to receive presents, and there are people who like to make presents. We, in hospitality, we are the individual who likes to give presents. We want to see the joy in the other person's eye. So my name is Luigi Cagnin. I am the Food and Beverage Operation Manager here at the Ritz Hotel London. I embarked my journey here at the Ritz back in 2005 when I was 24 years old, and over the past 18 years I worked through the ranks until my current position. Whereas the Ritz is very renewed for luxury, opulence, the true embodiment of hospitality, done with as much style as class as possible. And every single guest should expect to be treated like royalty, like everybody expects to be treated when they come here at the Ritz. I do believe that we're very lucky here at the Ritz to have the perfect settings for the style of les arts de la table, for this style of service. This extras that to adding to the guest experience this element of theatricality. We are now here with your main course, Pigeon à la Presse. It's the main course of our tasting menu. The whole pigeon is roasted and beautifully glazed before being placed on the wooden chopping board. We will now start by melting the butter and preparing the sauce. And we are super lucky here at the Ritz. We still have Presse. It's an incredible tool. The press is entirely made of silver and is comprised of an inner chamber where the bird carcass will be placed, and then the press will be operated by squashing out all the juices of the bird. The juices will be added at the end. We now see that we have the green peppercorn in the butter, a little bit of port, but first cognac will be added. Marvelous. Quickly burn off all the alcohol before adding the pigeon sauce. Amazing. Few drops of port wine. Perfect. The sauce is a very rich, opulent sauce, and we do require the strength of the green peppercorn to probably allow you to fully savor and appreciate the sauce. We have a rich sauce going in now. Perfect. Amazing. As you see now, the sauce is beautifully shiny, glossy. As soon as we'll add the juices, the color will change completely. Here we have the pigeon. Now remove the two breasts. Pigeon is beautifully cooked on the rare sides, as it should be. I will take the whole carcass. Thank you. Hand it over to Giuseppe while finish trimming and preparing the breasts. Now we have a carcass with a bit of port wine sides. We'll hold the breast down and squash out all the juices. We'll take just a moment and plenty of strength. Yes. Perfect. All the juices are collected and strained into these pots. Now, off the heat, we will pour the juices into the sauce. So as you see now, the color of the sauce changed. We move from a very glossy, shiny, beautiful sauce to a more opaque, yet very indulgent, rich sauce. The peppercorns are required, being quite strong, they will balance the richness of the sauce, and will serve now the sauce on top of the pigeon breasts. And this is how we prepare pigeon à la presse here at the Ritz, garnished with white asparagus, herb emulsions and soufflé potatoes.